Hello guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to remove the ads that easily pop up sa cellphone natin. So this is an Android phone. Okay, so first you need to have your internet browser. So just put here or click google.com. So once you are there, you're going to click the three dots here on the upper right side. So as you can see here, these are the three dots. So just click these dots here and you're going to scroll down. You're going to find settings. Okay, so as you can see, there's settings there. Okay, so again, you need to scroll down or find settings on the dots that you just click. Okay, so after you find the settings here, so just click this one. So we are on the page or the settings page, and again scroll it down and you're going to find here the so we have here the site settings. Okay, so this is, as you can see here, so we have again the site settings. You need to click the site settings. Pag na-click na po yung site settings, then you're going to find just scroll it down again. As you can see, so under the content, so click first, we have your pop-ups and redirects. Okay, so once allowed po ang nakalagay dyan, so you need to click that one and change that to, okay, just click here. Okay, so pag naka-turn on, kasi ina-allow natin yung mga ads, so dapat naka-turn off. Okay, once you have here pop-ups and redirects, so just turn it off. And okay, so that's under pop-ups and redirects, under sa site settings. Nasa content, so go back to site settings. Okay, so na-block na po natin yung pop-ups and redirects. Another one here is we need to block also or turn off the intrusive ads. As you can see here, my intrusive ads under the site settings, click that one and turn it off again. Okay, or block the intrusive ads. Okay, so ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. So naka-turn off, right? So na-block na po natin yung pop-ups and redirects, and we also block the intrusive ads. Okay, so that's how simple. Under Google Chrome settings and then site settings. Okay, so I hope this one helps on how to avoid or to remove those ads that easily pop up on our cell phone. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Bye.